Hey guys, so I couldn't post the video. It wouldn't let me. So yeah. I finished the slime. I added activator and lotion and colored it. So yeah, I'm gonna take out the other part of the slime so we can play with it all together. So here's the other slime. So just kind of taking it out of the bowl. It is very pretty and very big slime. So yeah, I don't really want to get in close to my camera because I know it'll stick. I know it will. So I don't want it close to the camera whatsoever. So, and I don't have a camera guy yet. I don't have a camera guy yet. I will, hopefully, soon. So, wow. This is a very big slime and I really like it. I'm gonna add some more activator and this time I am squeezing it. So that's why it was coming out like that. But otherwise, if I'm not squeezing it, it just comes out as drips. And yeah, this is a very big slime now that we added all of it together. I'm glad I didn't put the other little piece in the bowl, otherwise it would have been overflowing. That's the word. So yeah, this is a very pretty slime and I had fun making it. So like I said, I'm going to add some more blue. I don't think you guys heard me say that in any of the other videos, but I'm gonna add some more blue and green just to mix it in there and get it a little bit darker. So I'm gonna add the blue first. Do you guys see the blue come up in the strand of slime? And supposedly this helps. I don't know. That helps when you are kneading it. So yeah, I just got a bubble there. Wow. 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 Anyways, this is a very big slime. I love it so much. And the cookie test, of course. Very clicky, I will say myself. I don't know how I just made a bubble there. All I did was this and then let it pop down. All I did was that. Okay, add some more activator. I'm going to add some green. I promise. I'm just making sure all the blue is mixed in with playing with it, so that kind of helps. So yeah, and by the way, the next video is going to be of me doing some packing because we are moving. So yeah, and it is a definite for sure we are getting the place. So yeah, we're gonna be moving the 1st, but I'm going to start packing soon, so then I have it all ready and I don't have to pack on the 1st, and I already have my stuff ready so we can put it in the U-Haul. And you guys see my room. I did a room tour. So yeah, my room's very small. So hopefully I get an upgrade from a small room to a bigger room. Probably like the size of my parents' room. My parents' room is really big. And yeah. Without that big bed in there, it's big. So yeah. And in my new room, I'm going to be getting a loft bed. So when we get the loft bed, I will show you guys. I promise I will. I don't know if we're buying it or getting it from Get It Now. I don't know if you guys know what Get It Now is, but it's like a store, like a furniture store. You go there and you pick what you want, and then you sign papers and crap. And then the next day you get your stuff, which is very cool. So it'll be the 2nd day we are there and I will get my bed. So I don't know if we're using Get It Now or not, or buying it from someone, I don't know. But there was a loft bed on Facebook and it was $25, which is very surprising because normally they're like $1,000 just for a loft bed. which I think it would just be $100 making the loft bed. Who knows? But then getting all the stuff to decorate it and stuff like that would take a long time, I do believe. I don't know. So, yeah. All I'm doing right now is playing with it because I am very bored. So, this is the slime itself. I didn't add green. I will off camera. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and comment on what I should do for the next video, which is going to be next week because I only really post on weird days. But I'm going to be doing multiple videos today. So, yeah. Bye, guys.